How to use Quicken with a Mac. Now in this video, I'll show you heads up or overview about Quicken on a Mac. So first is before you go ahead and use it on your MacBook, you'll have to purchase a subscription first. Now using Quicken on a Mac involves installing the subscription-based software, setting up a data file, linking bank accounts for automatic downloads, and customizing categories for tracking. So these are going to be your available options if you're going to be using it on Mac. So you can go with personal, business and personal, personal and life hub. Now these three specific subscriptions right here involves um, on a subscription base as well. Now for you to get started and use it in your Mac, you can go ahead and visit Apple Store in your MacBook, or you can use any browser available for your Mac and type in quicken.com/Mac. So just simply choose on Buy Quicken and start and link your bank account available. And that is how you use Quicken with a Mac.